It is cleared most of Ward County, some of Spencer County, and will continue to move to the east. Then we have that additional line of storms over.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southern Perry County in south-central Indiana, Hancock County in central Kentucky, northwestern Breckenridge County in central Kentucky until 10:45 p.m. At 10:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located west of Rockport, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tell City and Hawesville around 10.
Tonight, we have a decent weekend on the way. It's going to be sunny, cooler across the tri-state. We have at least another hour or so to go before we get all of this weather completely out of the tri-state. And I did want to show you that.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties: Perry, Indiana, and Hancock, Kentucky.
About the third one down. If you click on that, then you'll get a spot there and your picture, video, what have you.
Tornado.
Once you send it, Randy's looking at it.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Suffolk County in south-central Indiana, Hancock County in central Kentucky, northwestern Breckenridge County in central Kentucky until 45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located west of Rockport, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following expected: flying dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tell City and Hawesville around 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mystic, Skillman, Gerald, Lewisport, Take cover now. Move to a basement or a room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. If you are mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Rewind.